88 pounds and out of
Alright, welcome back to American Dream Garage. Today I'm going to do a short video, and the reason I'm going to do it, even though the topic is small, because I think it's going to be pretty substantial. I've been talking about putting the factory wheels back on, and when I tried to take these wheels off, it was a different lug nut, and the lug nut wouldn't even reach the brake hubs or the brake rotor to catch. So anyway, I had to go out and order a set of not Ferrari original but aftermarket lug nuts for a Testarossa. So anyway, I'm going to change the wheels real fast, and I think it'll be substantial. Not to knock these wheels, but I think the original Ferrari wheels will really make this car pop. So we're going to do that, and then we will take some pictures and take a closer look at it. So now that it's done, I'll let you guys decide which you like better, but I definitely know which one I like.